Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2022 Honda Trail 125 ABS. This bike has 236 miles and is offered for $44.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is the super sought after trail that is very hard to come by. We were fortunate enough to get a couple of them in the store. This one, the cool thing is it has a dual rack system put on it, one in the front and also one above the gas tank there to carry things with. Also has a nice rack on the back. The bike's been gone through by our service department. We did a safety check on it and she's dialed in and all ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.